Razer store, or building rather, in Singapore. It's mighty cool. Let's go in and check it out. Alright. For gamers, by gamers.
This is our entire store.
Okay.
We have our chipsets, our audio equipment over here. We have our keyboards, our mice, our laptops over there, and we have our licensed products over there also. So you can have a look, no worries on testing out on our products. So everything's there for you to try.
Okay.
So right now, okay, so this is right here anyways. This is our current range of mice. We have the Razer V2 Pro. We have the Cobra Pro. This actually came out last week. So
it just came out last week. Okay.
So this is a little bit like the Viper shape, but it's smaller. I'll say it's closer to a Viper Mini.
Okay.
It comes with Bluetooth too. Bluetooth and it's wireless.
Oh,
So
okay.
it has the same internals as the Viper and the Death Adder. And we have the Basilisk, we have the Death Adder V3 Pro, and we have the Viper V2 Pro.
Yeah, my first experience with Razer was your mouse as well, like old, like the one with a USB, like old school mouse. Yeah.
So my first mouse was actually the Death Adder 3.5G. Way back in 2009, 2010. So right now this is actually, I would say it's the newer successor to the whole Death Adder line. So this is actually the wired version of the wireless Death Adder.
No, it's very light.
Very light.
Yeah.
But it's the same specs, the same sensor, the same switches found in Death Adder.
Okay.
And it's actually quite affordable. At least in Singapore, this is actually retailing for about $109.90.
How much?
$109.90.
$109.
The Death Adder V3 Pro is about $229.
$229. Okay.
Only the wireless features that actually a good option to go for. It's the same shape, it's the same components, the same specs inside. So it's actually a pretty good deal for what we're offering right now. But the downside is that you don't get chroma. So there's no lights. But it's the pursuit of lightness.
Lightness, yeah. Very interesting. Like there's a whole nice setup over here.
So it's just an example of what you would have at home.
Can you lower the volume a little bit? And now we can actually hear what you're saying. Yeah, so you guys create that PC, right?
Yeah,
it's not for a sell.
Yeah, so it's actually just a mismatch of components.
Right.
So it's just a demo unit, but we don't sell a full complete desktop.
Yeah, but you do sell the casing.
We sell the case, we do sell the fans,
Okay.
The motherboard is actually in collaboration with S4. So it's a Razer edition V550 Kai chips.
Okay. Oh, you don't have the earbuds?
Yeah, so this is the Moraes, the new one. It just came out.
The new one?
Yeah, so it came out quite relatively recently.
Okay.
So over here also is a current range of new laptops. For right now here, right, these two models, this is actually the previous generation.
Right.
But it's still on sale. This is the previous generation Blade 14, but this is in quartz, in pink.
Right.
This is the Blade 16. This is the our very recently released color for the Blade 16 and Blade 18. So, but this model is the Blade 16 4080. It comes with a mini LED display, and it's in quartz. No, in quartz. It's in mercury, so it's white.
Okay.
And of course, this whole range of PCs. For this range of PCs right now, right, we have our Blade 14. So this actually came out also relatively recently. It was actually refreshed. It's a refreshed model over the older Blade 14. So this is actually the main differences is the internal changes. Right now it comes with a new 40 series NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. It comes with the new 7000 series AMD CPUs also. Screen size is still the same at 14 inches, but now it's a 16 by 10 aspect
16
ratio.
by 10.
The old one is actually 16 by 9, so it's a little bit taller.
A little bit, yeah.
But it's a 16 by 10 display, so it's a bit nicer to scroll through text and apps.
Okay.
So this is actually our new Blade 15. So it also comes with, it's a refresh over the older model. Specs wise, it comes with the new 13 Gen i7s. Comes with a 4060 or 47.
Oh, the layout is still very much like the old ones. Because I had the Blade 14 and the speakers were on the side and the mouse. Okay.
Yeah, so I would say the older Blade 14 that you have, right?
Yeah.
It's closer to this model.
Yeah.
But this is the refreshed one, so it's a
Okay.
little bit different. So for this one, it's just compared to the older model, right? This is actually more of an internal spec change. So new CPU internals, but overall dimensions of the laptop itself is still the same.
Okay.
Then we have the 16 and the 18. So the 16, this is a evolution of the 15. So it's slightly larger, but overall footprint compared to the 15 is still roughly the same. It's thicker, but we managed to cram in a lot more cooling into the system itself.
Okay, nice.
So this can take up to a 4090. 4090.
4090, okay.
Yep, so it also comes with a 24-core i9 CPU, overclockable also, and it comes with a 16 by 10 display too.
Do you have anything that's like more practical for video editing? Like I'm a YouTuber, so.
Do you go around? You need to. I would assume you'll be going around.
Well, right now we're traveling, so this is like, yeah. But typically, if I don't travel, we stay at home. There's a desktop and whatnot.
Then I'll assume probably you will need something more portable. If you need the performance, right, I will maybe recommend the 16 instead.
The 16.
Because of the CPU.
Okay.
CPU is a 24-core CPU, so it may help in video editing. It's a little bit heavier compared to the 15, but
is it?
I would say the
Oh
weight,
wow,
yeah,
it is
weight
much heavier.
Yeah, the weight and performance trade-off is better because you get the CPU and you get the extra cooling systems inside. So, but for this, you only do get a 4060 and a 4070, but this you can go up to a 4090.
Oh, this is quite heavy too.
This is about 2 kilograms.
2 kilograms. Yeah, part of the reason why I got the initially with the Blade 14 was just like how light it was.
So this is actually it's about 1.7 7 kilos. So the new one is a little bit heavier, but it's about 1.8.
1.8. Yeah, a little.
So if you do video editing, right? Especially if you do take advantage of Intel BigSync. So in that case, I would recommend the 15 at the very least because this is running AMD.
Oh, okay.
So this 14 running AMD, but for the 15,
Saw the Intel.
Yeah, they're all running Intel.
Okay, cool. Is there any other products that you can show?
Yeah, so we do have. Okay, so this is actually
Oh yeah, this is what I was referring to, like your earbuds.
Yep, so this is actually our license corner. So we have most
Pokemon.
So we actually recently released a collaboration collection with Pokemon. So
Yeah, Hello Kitty.
Yep, Hello Kitty too. This was actually quite a while back, but we're still on sale.
Your slippers.
And of course we have our Plushies too also.
This is really cool. Oh, this is for the chair, right?
It's a head cushion for.
Yeah.
For
What's this
chairs.
for? This is
This is just a
for look.
Yeah, it's a normal plushie.
Okay.
So for right now, this is actually our Roblox collection. So it comes with, this is the full collection. It comes with the headset, it comes with the keyboard and the mouse. But do know you have to buy them separately.
Oh, okay.
But each of them do come with an in-game code for a accessory in the game itself. So this one's actually released yesterday. Yesterday night actually in Singapore.
Okay.
So this is actually the PUBG collection. So we have the keyboard and the mouse and the keyboard, and we have a headset also.
Oh, okay.
So this just came out yesterday. So it's our range of apparels too.
Yeah, I saw some of the stuff was quite interesting. So I just talked to one of the employee. So this building is actually their Southeast Asia headquarters. So yeah, all the products are showcased down on the ground floor. Upper floors, that's where their offices are. And even higher floor that's occupied by different companies. So they do occupy quite a bit of this building right here. But this is what they're offering on the ground floor here. This is really cool. Check out the new keyboard. Oh. Got a little snake. The music is quite loud. They even have clothing, jacket, t-shirt, pants, jeans, what? Sneakers. Holy cow, they have their own line of shoes. Alright, here are their gaming chairs. You know what? I'm gonna try it out a little bit. Alright. It is very comfortable. I think I'm sitting on one of the bigger chairs. Let's try out this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do like it. It's very comfortable. Oh, there are a lot of cushion and support of my back. Let's see here. Oh, this one is even better. I think this is the smallest one here, but it's actually wrapped around my body pretty tight. So it's actually really comfortable. Yeah, I can definitely sit in this chair for hours on end. The snake. Check out this little thing. For gamers, by gamers. Very cool.